Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your Google site password protected, step by step, using a super effective method that works perfectly in 2025. Whether you're building a private members only area, client dashboard, or a classroom site, this method will let you secure your Google site easily without using any coding or paid tools. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what we'll actually do. Since Google Sites doesn't have a built-in password protection feature, we'll create our own login gateway using Google Forms. The form will act as the password screen, and only users who enter the correct password will be able to move forward. Create the login form head over to Google Forms and start a new blank form. Give it a title like login or secure access. Now, change the default question type to short answer. This will allow users to type in the password. Next, enable response validation. To do this, click the three dots at the bottom right of the question, choose response validation, and set it to asterisk text. In the validation field, enter your chosen password. This will be the key users must enter. Then, turn on the required toggle so users can't skip it. Finally, under the custom error text, type something like, "Incorrect password, please try again." That way, when someone types the wrong password, they'll immediately get an error message. Configure the confirmation message now. Click the settings cog icon at the top. Go to the presentation tab and find the confirmation message section. Here, type something like asterisk. Welcome to the exclusive section exclamation mark. This is what users will see when they enter the correct password. Once that's done, click save and then publish your form by clicking send at the top right. You can copy the link, but for this tutorial, we'll embed it into Google Sites. Embed the form in Google Sites, open your Google site, and go to the Pages Must tab. Create a new page, name it something like Members Login or Secure Area. Then go to the Insert section on the right-hand sidebar and select Forms. You'll see your recently created form listed there. Choose it and click Insert. Adjust the form size so it fits nicely on the page and publish your site. Now, when visitors go to that page, they'll see your password entry form. If they type in the wrong password, they'll get your error message. If they type in the correct one, they'll see the welcome message, which can include a link to your private content page. And that's it. You've just learned how to Sanjit password protect your Google site in 2025. Quickly, easily, and for free. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more Google Sites tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.